When it comes to using garlic in cooking, there are two kinds of people: those who follow the recipe and those who go with their gut. Personally, I stick to the recipe, but I get why some prefer to wing it. Garlic adds awesome flavor. But before you use it, ever wondered, what's a garlic clove, really? Keep watching for the answer and more cool stuff, like how a clove differs from a whole garlic bulb, and tips on swapping garlic powder for the real deal in your recipes. Let's talk garlic cloves. Garlic is typically found as a complete bulb, wrapped in a thin, papery white layer. This bulb, also known as a garlic head, consists of smaller segments connected to the main root. A clove of garlic is one of these smaller segments. Their size can differ within a single garlic head. Counting cloves in a garlic bulb. The quantity of cloves inside a garlic head differs based on the variety. A regular white garlic bulb generally contains around 10 to 12 cloves. On the other hand, elephant garlic, known for its larger size and milder taste, typically holds about 4 cloves per bulb. How many teaspoons in a garlic clove? On average, a single garlic clove contains approximately 1 teaspoon of garlic. However, keep in mind that this measurement can vary depending on the size of your garlic clove and how you're preparing it, whether you're dicing or mincing it. In most recipes, following the number of cloves rather than measuring in teaspoons is simpler. Garlic powder versus fresh garlic. When you're out of fresh garlic, garlic powder makes a handy substitute. But bear in mind, garlic powder brings a more intense flavor punch, so you'll need less to match the taste of fresh garlic. As a general guideline, swap in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder for each clove of garlic. If you crave a bolder garlic flavor, you can always sprinkle in more garlic powder to your liking. In summary, a garlic clove is a single segment within a garlic head, and its size can differ. On average, each clove yields about 1 teaspoon of garlic. When substituting with garlic powder, remember that it packs a stronger flavor, so use it sparingly compared to fresh cloves.